Go higher, higher, higher. Higher.
Hold on, please. Yes, go be fast. Hold on, lady buddy.
Jess, go straight and go high. You're moving around too much.
Wait. Hold on. Okay.
All right.
Stop.
All right, Jesse's getting off.
Stop, please.
Look at Gracie go, getting higher. Getting higher.
I'll get high.
Good idea.
Just do it backwards.
Gracie's getting higher. Jesse's starting out.
Okay, I'll go fast.
Here, I'll push. I'll give you a few good pushes. Okay?
Okay. It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun. All right, I'll give you a couple pushes.
This is fun, Gracie.
Ugh.
Okay.
One more. Ugh. How's that?
Yes.
Jess, the problem is you're going sideways. You gotta go straight. Okay, there you go.
How did I go?
Look how high Gracie's going.
Hold on, please. Let's just go fast. Well, this is fun. Big short. Stops, Gracie.
She doesn't want to stop, Jess.
I'll go to tire say why, Gracie. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, I'll go watch you in a swing ride. No, it does.
She's going high.
It doesn't stop yet. It doesn't stop yet, Gracie. No. Mom, look.
I see. Look how high. Wow.
Hey, Gracie, I see you. Yes, I do. Papa. Okay. Make sure going faster. Okay. Look at how you go. Yes, I know. I'll go to tile slide next. Okay. I can't stop.
You can't stop.
Yes, I can. You stop, Mommy.
You want me to stop her? Do you need help, Grace? Oh, I don't know. I think she can do it. She's getting taller, so she... Woo! Look at that!
Yes, go to tile slide right, Gracie. I'm doing so more videos. Boy!
Okay, well, do you need help?